am I going to do with all these shoes? Like,
I have to send them back to Vivo.
I think for me, color kind of creates a feel to it in a weird way. Like when you look at it, it creates like a feel to it. And I've always been kind of drawn to more of the, I guess, earth tones, you could call them.
When we were working on the color with you, we were looking at kind of underwater kelp fields and looking at like these beautiful images of where the light's coming through that like translucent kelp, and it's almost picking up those salmon like tones and those off-white kind of tones.
This color gets me really excited. When you see something that gets you excited and the color of it, and I feel like it kind of makes you, it sparks something in your mind and gets you excited to go do something. Yeah. For whatever reason, the earth tones kind of spark that excitement in me.
No, for sure. Color to us is really important. That the spirit of the color talks to ultimately what we're trying to do, which is to connect people into nature and ultimately be inspired by how nature does things.